Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton's behind the camera. And, well, today I got to do a little bit of picking, a little bit of checking, and just a whole little bit of everything around the garden. But I wanted to give you a garden tip. Now, no matter what size garden you have, you should always be checking your plants, trying to see if you can find bugs, bug eggs, diseases, or just out of the ordinary stuff. Now, every day I come out to my garden and I walk my garden and I'm looking for holes in my leaves. I'm looking for bug eggs. I'm looking for stink bugs. I'm not just looking for stuff to pick. Remember, if you keep your plants healthy, you're going to keep your garden healthy. You keep your garden healthy, you're going to have a great haul. But see, on a recent video that John Will It Grow did, he shouted me out. And yes, guys, it was a shout out. It was a great shout out. I love the way he does those shout outs. But in Shed Wars, John is like Yosemite Sam. And he's the rootin' tootin' character that you love to hate. And trust me, I love this part of Shed Wars. So guys, I have a message for John. John, yeah, I'm talking to you, Jellyfish John. Yeah, you want to call me Leaping Frog? You go right ahead. But I'm going to tell you, you shouldn't address me like that. See, my friends address me as Frog. You, sir, should address me as Mr. Frog. And, yeah, I know you got your spies over here. Yeah, guess what I found in my garden today? Yeah, y'all take a look at this. All right, guys, take a look at this. John done sent a spy. He done sent a Portuguese man of war to spy on me, guys. Look at that. Yeah, that old chewed up piece of bubble gum. Yeah, ain't no jellyfish. Yeah, John, I know your secret. You're not actually a jellyfish. Yeah, you're close. Yeah, you are close. But you ain't no jellyfish. You're an old chewed up piece of bubble gum floating on the ocean. Jellyfish actually swims. Yeah, John, I've been looking it up. Portuguese man of war. Yeah, all it does is sit there and blow wherever on the wind. Yeah, all you are is a bag of hot air. Yeah, John. Oh, and I heard you want to grow some okra. But don't you think you ought to be able to pronounce it correctly first? And don't you even dare try to correct me, because I'm a Southerner. And I know how to pronounce okra. Yeah, you keep calling it okra. Hey, okra, okra, okra. No, John, yeah. Pronounce it like a Southerner. It'll grow better. In fact, there's an excellent variety you should try. Yeah, clips and spineless. Yeah, that ought to go real good with your jellyfish features. Yeah, my new nickname for you, John, is Bubblegum John. Yeah, see, jellyfish swim. You just blow around like a piece of old bubblegum. So Bubblegum John's what I'm going to call you from now on. But I tell you, I just saw your new shout-out video. Yeah, see, you did a shout-out video on me at the beginning that was just blah. It was like watching Yosemite Sam lose his pistols. I mean, he went from rootin' tootin' to, oh, I don't have no pistols. And you could see that you were crying in that video. Yeah, so you had to make it up to me. Because, yeah, that email that you brought up that I sent you, yeah. Why don't you go ahead and tell people what's in it? Yeah, let them know how much I told you that was a sorry way to do a shout out. Yeah. By the way, I'm glad you finally saw the light and shouted me out correctly. But I tell you, you want to penalize me 5 pounds. What's that about, John? You want to penalize me? What rule did I break? Now see, I went over the rules for Shed Wars several times. And, well, the only rule that I saw broken was by you, John. Yeah, see, let's refer to this rule right here.
And they must involve some kind of growing tip, gardening trick. You know, they have to involve some kind of tip and trick or you can do a guided tour if you would like and explain some kind of trick that you did, whatever it may be.
Yeah, John, in your own words, all the videos that you do for Shed Wars should include a garden tip or a garden trick. But I ain't been seeing that in your shout out videos. Yeah. Or as you like to call yourself, Marshall. I'm Marshall Jellyfish. Yeah. John, you might want to watch yourself. Follow your own rules. Set an example for lower classmen such as myself. Because, I mean, seriously, you want to penalize me, not tell me what I did. You're messing with the frog now. Or, as you should be referring to me, Mr. Frog. All right, guys, remember, all this is just in fun, and picking is kind of the way with Shed Wars. And John is a really great guy. I'm going to leave a link to his channel down below in the descriptions. Go check him out if you haven't checked him out yet. He is a really good gardener, and he knows his raised beds. And in fact, hate to admit it, I've learned a couple of things from him. But I tell you guys, I love messing with him. I ain't done, this is my 4th video on Shed Wars, and I am having a blast, y'all. I appreciate y'all having me in the Shed War community. But guys, it's time to get out of here. I got some work to do. Yeah, I got to make up my 5 pounds. It's gonna be so hard. Yeah, I'll probably have that in half this picking that I'm about to do. So guys, this has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.